If you've ever found yourself locked out of your Cloudflare account or just want to update your security, today's video is exactly what you need. I'm going to walk you step by step through how to safely reset your Cloudflare password, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to regain access and keep your account protected, even if you use Apple ID or run into email hiccups along the way. Let's dive right in and get you back into your Cloudflare dashboard. First, you'll need to go to the main login page, which is -cloudflare.com. You can open this up in any browser, and that's where you'd normally type in your email and password to log in. Since we're resetting your password today, find and click on the Forgot Your Password link. This is usually tucked just below the login fields, kind of easy to miss if you're in a hurry. But it's your gateway to resetting things. Once you click that, you'll be prompted to enter the email address tied to your Cloudflare account. Take a second here to make sure you're using the same email you originally registered with, if you have multiple emails. Double-check which one you used for Cloudflare. Being precise here helps avoid mix-ups and ensures the reset email lands where you need it. After you type it in, click the button to proceed. This is the part where you'll need a little patience. Head over to your email inbox and keep an eye out for a message from Cloudflare with subject lines like "Reset your password" or "Cloudflare password assistance." Sometimes these emails arrive in seconds. Other times they might take a minute or two, especially if your provider scans emails for security. And don't forget to take a peek in your spam or junk folders, since security emails like these sometimes get filtered out by mistake. If you use Gmail, also check the Promotions tab just in case. Once you find the email, open it up and look for the reset link inside. Go ahead and click it. This will take you directly to the Cloudflare password reset page. Now you'll be able to set your new password. Choose something strong, ideally a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe. You'll probably need to enter it twice just to confirm there are no typos. Take your time here, it's always better to get it right and choose a password you'll remember. Now a couple special scenarios you should be aware of. If you originally signed up for Cloudflare with your Apple ID, and especially if you used the Hide My Email feature, then the standard reset method might not work, because the reset email won't reach your real address. In this case, Cloudflare recommends either adding a new member to your account with a regular email that you do have access to, or if you just need API access, setting up a whole new account with that secondary email. It's a bit of a workaround, but it gets the job done. If you're not seeing the reset emails at all, no matter what you try, it's possible your email provider is blocking messages from Cloudflare's address, which is noreply@notify.cloudflare.com. A quick call or message to your provider can resolve this. They should be able to unblock or whitelist that address for you. And finally, if you get truly stuck, maybe you have a critical domain registered with Cloudflare, or something else urgent, don't worry. Head back to -cloudflare.com and use their support portal to open an account ticket. They can help you directly when you just can't reset the password yourself. That's all there is to it. I hope this guide helped you reset your Cloudflare password smoothly. If you found this walkthrough useful, drop a like. Leave any questions or experiences down in the comments. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.